The history of Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today, known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Its history begins in the late 1980s with its creation by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer working at the Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica (CWI) in the Netherlands. In December 1989, Guido began developing Python as a hobby project to keep himself occupied during the Christmas holidays. At the time, he was working on a language called ABC, which was designed for teaching programming. While ABC was easy to use, it had limitations, such as difficulty integrating with other systems. Guido aimed to create a new language that would keep ABC's simplicity but fix its flaws. He also wanted it to handle exceptions and interface with the Amoeba operating system. Guido named his new language Python, not after the snake, but after the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. He wanted the language to be fun to use and not overly serious, reflecting the show's humor and creativity. The first official version, Python 0.9.0, was released in February 1991. It already included important features that define Python today, such as functions, exceptions, modules, and data types like strings, lists, and dictionaries. It also had a core principle of readability and simplicity, which became central to Python's philosophy, later summarized in the Zen of Python. In 1994, Python 1.0 was officially released. This version introduced new tools like Lambda, Map, Filter, and Reduce, which made it easier to perform functional-style programming. During this period, a growing community of developers began contributing to Python, helping it spread through universities and research institutions. The next major milestone came in October 2000 with the release of Python 2.0. This version added list comprehensions, garbage collection, and Unicode support, making it more powerful and suitable for large-scale applications. However, Python 2 also introduced some design choices that would later become problematic, leading to a long period where Python 2 and Python 3 coexisted. In December 2008, Python 3.0 was released as a major redesign of the language. It was not backward compatible with Python 2, meaning older code needed rewriting. The goal was to remove old inconsistencies and improve clarity. Python 3 brought many improvements, such as better handling of strings and data, more consistent syntax, and improved standard libraries. Although adoption was slow at first, Python 3 eventually became the standard version. Over the next decade, Python grew rapidly. It became a favorite for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and education. Its simple syntax and massive library ecosystem made it accessible to beginners and powerful for professionals. Today, Python is maintained by the Python Software Foundation, PSF, and continues to evolve with regular updates. From a small side project to one of the world's most influential programming languages, Python's journey reflects the power of open collaboration, clear design, and a community-driven spirit. I think you understand the lesson, and if you have, comment below. And we will start a Python free coding course to help you in coding.